This 2021 Forest River Cedar Creek 385th is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in La Feria, Texas, 78559 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Harlingen. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features a 4 interior, sleeps 6, awning, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.